Hello, this is Calvin's. So I just want to demonstrate how you are going to generate results, right? So I've already uploaded scores and the lists can be viewed from here. So you can see even the learners, they're quite a good number. So you can see the learners here, very many. They're very many, right? They're very many. The learners are, as you can see here, students 739. So the scores have also been uploaded. So I just want to generate results. So one, we want to go to view reports, then generate merit list per grade level, right? So let us generate merit list for grade 6 going downwards. So grade 6, as you can see, this is the merit list, and you can see very nice one. Everything is here. The grade, all the performance levels, you can see we know from grade 6 to PP1 we have the 4 levels, right? And the 4 levels are the ones you can see here. Alright, so for PP1, let me generate for PP1, and you can see this for PP1. Let me generate for grade 3. So that's for grade 3. What about the junior secondary school? So grade 7. Very good. So you can see for grade 7 we have quite a long list. Okay. So how many are they? Let me check on the rank. Let me see how many are they. So grade 7, actually there are 52 of them. That's grade 7. So you can also generate for grade 8. Right. So this for grade 8, and you can notice that the performance levels are now enhanced from 4 to 8, and you can see E2, EE1, and so on and so forth, and everything is very good. So you can print as usual. So what about grade 9? Okay, very good. So grade 9 is also here. You can see the enhanced performance levels. Okay, so that is for grade 9. So that's how you can generate the merit list, the overall one. Then there is also merit list per stream. The merit list per stream, you come here and select the stream, class and stream, and then it generates. Okay, so this for grade 5, stream is north, and you can see it's great. Okay, so what about grade 8? That is now junior, and you can see that is very great. So we are generating results, right? We are generating results. So that is for stream. Then what about gender? You may want to generate merit list by gender. So select grade 3, gender, male or female. So I've selected male, and you can see this merit list for male students in grade 3. What about female? That is for female. Okay, and you can also try with grade 7. So grade 7 male, can see, very nice. Grade 7 female, you can see that is very, very nice. All right, let us move to another type of analysis, overall performance level analysis. Okay, so this is like grade analysis. So you want to check grade analysis for grade 4. So grade 4 being in primary, you will have only the 4 levels as you can see them here: exceeding expectation, meeting expectation, approaching expectation, and below expectation. Right, so these are the counts, the total entry. There are 63 of them, and then we have the average here and the performance level for that particular aggregate, which is the average. All right, then you can print that one here. So you can also move to grade 5. You also check, okay, it has changed. Grade 5, it's like the students are very many, there are 81. Then this is the detail for the average and the performance level. Then what about PP1? to 1, you can see there are also very many 58, and this is the average. Then go to junior grade 7. You can see now it is expanded from EE1 to BE2. That is very dynamic, and you can see it's very good. So the grade 7, their total entry is 53, and the counts like BE1 they are 10, AE2 7, and so on and so forth, and this is the average. Okay, and then you can do that to grade 9 as well. So that is grade level analysis, performance level analysis. Then there is also stream performance level analysis. So you can say, let me go to grade 5 north, then see the performance level analysis. You can see these are the counts of those grades, this is the average. Let's go to grade 8, the same, but now it's expanded because grade 8 is now in junior that is. So you can see these are the performance levels, and this is the average, and this is the total entry. All right, so that's performance level analysis. Then there's also overall performance level analysis per learning area. So this is like you are just now generating grade analysis per learning area. So grade 4, so you can see these are the learning areas, these are the entries, the number of the students in that class, and then these are the grades that we have in level 4, in grade 4. And you can see the averages, and then the performance level, and then the rank. That is one of the grades in primary. Then let us go to one of the grades in senior junior, grade 9. So you can see grade 9 is now expanded because now we have these enhanced performance levels. There are 8, and this is the subject areas, this is the entries, and then you can see the counts. The counts are also given very nicely, and this is the average, then the performance level for the aggregate average, then the rank. Okay, then we also have stream performance level analysis. Okay, so you select the grade, then the stream, and then you check how the performance has happened. So you can see these are the learning areas, this is the teacher in charge of those subjects, then this is the entry, and these are the counts per learning area, then the average, the performance level for that particular average, then the rank. All right, what about grade 7? Grade 7 north, you can see again the same thing, but now these are enhanced. We have now enhanced performance levels, and you can see the rank is there, everything is there. Very nice, very nice. So we are generating results. Okay, remember to print them. Okay, then we have overall learning area comparison. So you want to rank the subjects, so like grade 3. So you can see these are the subjects in grade 3, their averages and the performance level, then the rank. Okay, what about grade 7? These are the learning areas, average score, performance level, and the rank. You can also print. That is our learning area comparison, stream learning area comparison. So you want to compare per stream. So grade 6 north, how is grade 6 north? The facilitator, the teacher is here. This is the learning areas, the average for that subject, the performance level, and the rank. Okay, so you can ask this teacher, why is your subject appearing at the bottom? Okay. Okay, then we have learning area based performance. These are called top let's for example 5. So grade 5, these are the best per subject. We call them subject champions, right? So these are the subjects, these are the champions, this is what they are scoring, and this is the performance level in that particular score. So that is very nice. So when you look at grade 6, again you can see that one, and then you can print. Then we also have overall top best performance per gender. So you want to see grade 5, the male. So you tap the top here. If you want to generate top 10, you put 10. You want to generate top 5, you put 5. Let me generate top 10. So you can see immediately you type, it generates without a problem. So you can see it is here. The learner, okay, the stream, the gender, total score, the average score, the performance levels. What about grade 8? Grade 8 female, but we want to generate top 20. So you can see top 20 is quite long. You can reduce it to maybe top 10, and that is very nice. So that is top agenda. Then the streams comparison and ranking. So you want to compare streams. So like grade 4, you are comparing stream, but we have one stream per class, so the comparison is not coming out well. If there are maybe 2-3 stream per class, it will be comparing very nicely. So then house comparison, also we don't have a house. Okay, we have house A, and it's only one, so comparison is not coming out nicely. So then we have the learner deviations. Learner deviations here will give you the deviations like grade maybe grade 9. Then we check on we are in term 2. So it will just generate the deviations that is there for the exams that have been taken. Okay. So you can see these are the deviations. So it will give you some insight. Okay. Then we also have the last one is now report cards, what you call yearly reporting tools. So now you can see we can generate no ranking. We say no ranking. Let us generate for grade 6, grade 6. Then term we can say term 2. Then generate. Then you select the color. Let us select this color here. Then you generate. Right. So then now we expect podcasts to be generated as PDF, which you can share or you can print. Okay, so it should be out very fast. So it's already out, and you can see these are the report cards. So I didn't upload the school logo, that's why it's not appearing. I did also upload the photos of the students. That's why we have the placeholder photo here, or placeholder image. So you can see this is actually grade this grade 6. So grade 6, you expect the 4 levels of performance. So EE, AE, ME, and so forth. So you can see very nice, very nice. And now because the grade 6 has taken how many exams? They have taken cut. I'm seeing cut 1 here. I'm seeing mid-term, right? So and there's a graph down here, because they have taken more than one exam, so the graph is moving. Okay, it will move like that for the whole year, right? So look at that, very nice. So we can look at them. So if I zoom in, you can see this one. That is how it looks like. Okay, so even this site signature was not uploaded. Also the class teacher, the signature we didn't upload, so you find they are not being displayed. Okay, so that is why, so you need to upload them before you generate results, the signature of the class teachers. All right, so this report cards, there are very many, they are very very, there are 70, generated in 1 second. Okay, so now that is very nice. Look at them. So very nice. Remember to upload the school logo, and also remember to upload the signatures of the class teachers and the principal, right? So that they are displayed. So that is report card. So that is the final part of the duration that I wanted to show you. Otherwise, that is it. Thank you for watching. This is Calvin's.